Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin, and today we're actually going to be doing a video on my Model 3. So pretty much today, what the plan is we're going to get a set of window tints. I think I'm going to be recording this over a couple of days, but anyway, we're going to be getting a set of window tints for the car. Pretty much what the plan is I'm gonna go with a exterior, from windshield tint to like 75% all the way up front, something hardly noticeable that I can still see out of, and then I think I want to do 20% all the way around. I think that's the plan. I'm gonna figure it out from there, let you guys know what I did. But anyway, before I actually before I even do anything else, I figured that with today's video, it'd be perfect to show you guys what exactly the ceramic tint does for the car, as far as heat expenditure goes, and what it does afterwards. So this way you guys see the difference on what having tints do for a car, and what it does for not having a car, whether if it's inside with the heat and all that versus with the temperature and not just the looks and things like that, because there are some benefits and I want to show you guys that, and I figured this would be the best way to do so. So sit tight and yeah, let's get started. So first thing that I want to talk about is with the heat. We were talking about, I was just saying how, especially here in Florida for a little bit, I'm here for a couple weeks, but anyway, as I was saying, with the heat and all that, one of the main benefits of having window tints is, the heat itself. It can be pretty detrimental, especially in a hot place like this, and it can be pretty wild, not just for having it for the looks. So that's one of the main benefits. So with my Model 3, as you can see, the interior temperature is reading 121 degrees and the exterior is 99 degrees outside. 99 degrees outside. That's what it is outside the car. Inside the car, it's reading 121. Let's focus in here, but anyway, it's reading 121 degrees, and this is with the car off. I wanted to show you guys this before I even get the window tints. I'm gonna get them sometime, I think this week, but anyway, I do want to give you a quick rundown of what it looks like with the tints off the car and with it on. But anyway, with it off, it is reading 121. So I like how this is giving the overall idea of what it looks like with it on. With it off, and now just what it looks like inside and what the temperature is. So I'm going to turn this thing on, and we'll see what it ends up being in the next 2 minutes. Even with the heat on low, not the heat, the air conditioning on low. So let's see what it ends up being. But anyway, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be working as much, but I do want to show you this before I even do anything. So let's just go ahead and I'll give you a rundown what it looks like outside the car without the heat on. Without the window tints on before I put them on. So here's what it looks like.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like without it. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown, really quick. And yeah, with that being said, this is what it looks like. It's reading at around 87 degrees inside the car, or 88 with the temperature on. It's still reading exterior 95 degrees. That's with the window tints off, and yeah, the AC is on. So let's see what it looks like afterwards. I'm pretty sure, I'm hoping that it drops a good couple of degrees to around 80 or so. So let's see how it goes. All right, take care. Not take care. We'll see you in the next step. All right, guys. So we're at the front of the shop. They're not open yet. They're not going to be open for another 15 minutes. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on these window tints. So pretty much the plan is going to be that, well, from what I was told, is it's going to be about a 3.5 hour job. I'm going to end up waiting here the whole time till it's done. Yeah, we'll go from there, because next part of this is to see how it looks. Once it's done, I'll check back in and let you guys know. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so the Tesla Model 3 is complete. So honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. Look at this. So these guys over here honestly just did an amazing job. Love the way the thing looks all the way around, with the 45% tint up front and then 20s all around. This thing just looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, I honestly, I can't say I thank you guys enough for the window tint job. Thank you guys, Chicago Tinting. This looks absolutely amazing. But now here's the final test. Let's see how it is with the heating. So these are the ceramic tints. All the way around, they're supposed to be about 90% heat resistance. So let's see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the AC really quick. It is 93 degrees out today here in Chicago. So that's pretty much the same temperature as what we were seeing. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what we're looking at. So if the Tesla app can load, that'd be nice. So I got the AC running. So we got the AC running, climate control, interior. We got 94 degrees. I mean, not 94 degrees. We got 84 degrees inside. Let's see how it looks. We got an exterior temperature of 70 degrees. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn on the AC, let it run for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what it gets to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so hope you like that side-by-side comparison. I put the original speed as to what the windows would be. I mean, what it would be for cooling down the car without the window tints versus with the window tints. So if it comes down to thinking that it's worth it, honestly, I think it does, because it just, from what I noticed, it gets down to the same temperature. The other one was 62 degrees. This was brought down to 61. But I feel like where the benefit really was is that even though it is just as hot outside and just as humid, the temperature ended up being a lot better altogether. So with that said, I think if you were to do ceramic tints or XPEL, I'd say it's my personal opinion, it's worth it. If you're doing it just for looks, definitely I'd say just the carbon tints would work fine if you're just trying to do regulars. But if you're trying to get that heat resistance, I think the carbon ceramic or the ceramic or the XPEL tints are the best way to go. Simply put, because that, even though it gets to around the same temperature anyway, it holds it. I feel like the XPEL it protects the interior better without the AC on during a hotter day, and then not only that, it cools it down in nearly half the time. That's where I feel like is a benefit. But if you're doing it just for looks, definitely just go with the carbon tints. That's the best way I can think of. But absolutely, I think it's worth it. Now, for the grand total, what I paid for it, I ended up paying $570 for the overall tints to get the tint job done, and that was pretty much it. That does include the front windshield. If you didn't do the front windshield, if I didn't do the front windshield, it was $370, but with the front windshield, it was $570. And yeah, so pretty much that's my take on it. My personal opinion, absolutely worth it. Absolutely. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys like it. I hope this helps you guys for any decisions you're trying to make for your car and whatnot. Absolutely, I think it's worth it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe, share with friends, family, help this channel grow. I appreciate the help, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.